Hi everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming class. Now we see the topic on interface in Java. Please use headphone for better audio quality. First one, interface. An interface declares a set of data and their methods. An interface is similar to classes, but there are some important differences. First one, method should be only declared in an interface. In other words, the implementation codes for the method should not be provided in an interface. Second point, all the methods that are declared on an interface are automatically public. Third one, an interface does not have the variables, but an interface can have the constant value. Such constants will be inherited by the class that implements the interface. That means the interface contains only the constant values and method declaration only. The next one is syntax for the interface. Interface, user defined interface name, variable definition and method declaration. Here the interface contains a variable definition. Variable definition means just constant value only assigned to the variables. Method declaration means only declaring the methods. That means we are not defining any coding for that methods. Here the interface is the keyword and the UDIN is any valid Java variable, that is user defined interface name. All the variables have constant values. All the methods have no statement. The class that implements this interface must define the code for the method. So variables are declared as follows. For example, data type space variable name equal to any constant value. The next methods are declared only. That means return type, method name, parameter list only. That is the definition. That is implementation code not available in the interface. Next one, example for the interface. Here the interface name is shape. Interface contains only one method, double get data. That's a valid. The second one is a interface TV station. It's a valid statement. String satellite name equal to VShot. It's a valid statement. String channel name equal to Sun TV. It's a valid statement. Int a equal to 10. It's also constant possible. The next one, void display. That means method only declared only, not defined. Both are valid interface examples. The next one, how to implementing an interface. A class that implements an interface will look as follows. That means class user defined class name implements user defined interface name. Open curly brace, then body of the class. Here, if the class implements an interface, it should implement all the methods declared in that interface. Otherwise, the compiler will generate an error message at the time of compilation. That means all the methods declared in the interface should be defined inside the class. A class can implement more than one interface. That's also possible. In such cases, the name of the interfaces should be separated by the commas as shown in below. Class user-defined class name implements user-defined interface name 1, 2, and up to n, body of the class. Here the class should provide the codes for all the methods declared in all the n interfaces. Next one, program. So interface area. Then the interface contains only one method, double calculate area. That is declaration part only is the valid statement. Class circle implements area. That is the class circle implements area. This class implements area interface. That is int radius. Then constructor function circle int radius equal to this dot radius equal to radius. Then next we have to define the code. That means interface method code. Public double calculate area. Return math.py into radius into radius. That means, for example, circle radius, circle area equal to pi r squared. So math.py means 3.14 into radius. Already I told that in interface all the variables and the methods are public by default. So that's why I'm putting here as a public double calculate area. Here the class circle implements the code for the interface area. The next one, main program, class enter, public static void main string argument, circle space c is equal to new circle, then 10. Now the corresponding constructor function will be called radius value equal to 10. That means c dot radius equal to 10. Next one, circle area, c dot calculate area, control transfer to the calculate area function, math.py means 3.14 into 10 into 10. The output value equal to circle area equal to 314.15 like that. The next one, classes versus interfaces. What's the difference between the class and interfaces? A class declare or defines a set of data and their method. That means a class declare or define the data and method, but an interface defines a set of data and declare the set of their method. That means variables are defined, methods are declared only. Second one, class can directly inherit the resources from only one superclass. Class inherit only one superclass, but interface can directly inherit the resources from one or more interfaces. Third one, class have an instance variable objects. So automatically class, that is user create the object variable, but an interface does not have an instance variable. Method should be defined in a class. Here interface method should be only declared in an interface. All the methods may be any one of the access specifiers such as private, public, protected or default. Here all the methods that are declared on interface are automatically public. Then syntax for the class name, variable declaration, method definition. Then here the interface equal to interface name, variable definition, method declaration. Then here the class variables are not constant, but in interface all the variables are final constants. Now we conclude the session. We studied about interface and its syntax, how to implementing that interface. So thanks for watching. Thank you.